You are going to love the 2020 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, LED headlights, remote trunk release. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.